Happy Water Festivals the first day. I don't know where it goes, but now I would like to tell you something after I have this experience. You will find fabulous. It is Posat province. Posat province is a very wonderful because of Tonle Sap Lakes, Krawai Mountains, and a very special Mabol, the number one in Cambodia. Now I'm driving my family to find some places to relax and to find out special new activity for our holiday. Exactly, we have to go swimming in one of the hotel in the Posat province. Before I arrive there, I would like to tell you something that you can see. You are see here refer to the special garden Posat province. Right now they improve a lot. We have very good traffic lights and lights along the road. So thank you to the governors and minister that make Posat province very wonderful like this. Now we are about to reach the hotel in order to go swimming in the big pool with my family. This is the pizza company, but a local one. Now we arrive in the hotel in order to go swimming. For go swimming there, they have the price for the kids, the price for the other people according to the age and the height. I can say this place is wonderful. You can look most people right there with wonderful my family. So after we have finished our activity as we planned the first ones, I think you can see now is Posat province, the biggest market of Satmai. Wonderful. So along the trips here, we are heading to Kanding district. But before we arrive in Kanding district, we across the Sampomia, refer to the place that is the mainland, the main place that people wish to visit there. And we can see Posat province also celebrate right water festival and boat racing. Yeah, boat racing. And tomorrow we will have a big racing more. Now we are about to reach Kanding, and we reach what we plan now is Mi Her Brand Phum Yeung. So we have 7 layers. We enjoy our food here and have fry, and you can see this is our big family here. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your holiday as well.